Good day. My name is Vincent Leo L. Boston, a 22-year-old and a currently fourth year Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management student at Davao Oriental State University here in the Philippines. I'm applying for an on-the-job training position in Malaysia with a strong interest in the food and beverage department as my first choice and housekeeping as my second. I am passionate in creating excellent guest experience and eager to learn from a world-class hospitality environment. Throughout my college journey, I've actively participated in several hospitality-related activities and events that help develop my skills and professionalism. One of my most memorable experiences was participating in the Waiters Relay competition during the 12th Culinary Cup where I demonstrated speed, precision, and grace under pressure. I also served as a part of the food committee during our first tourism and hospitality summit where I gained hands-on experience in formal food service, event coordination, and guest hospitality. Additionally, I work as an on-call food server in several catering events, assisting with setup, food preparation, guest service, and restoration after the event. And since we had a family-owned restaurant back then, I was exposed to customer service and daily operation of food business from a young age, an experience that taught me responsibility and work ethic early on. Aside from my academic and hospitality-related engagement, I am also a proud football varsity player at our university. Being part of the team has strengthened my discipline, teamwork, and time management skills were all essentials in the hospitality industry. I consider myself dedicated, detail-oriented, and adaptable. I am confident in food and beverage service and had a good foundation in basic housekeeping procedures. I communicate well, work efficiently under pressure, and always being a positive attitude when working with guests and teammates. I'm truly excited for the opportunity to grow professionally and internationally through this OJT program. Thank you for considering my application. I am Vincent Leo Alboston and I look forward to becoming part of your team.